Hello everybody, Stefan from CR Kennedy, and in this clip we're going to go through the correct shutdown procedure of the Icon 3D software. This is our panel running the software. It is, for all intents and purposes, a tablet laptop, so it runs an operating system like a normal computer, and it needs to be shut down correctly. If it's not shut down correctly, it can lead to issues and problems along the lines. So to correctly shut down, you finish working at the end of the day, you exit your dig screen, you hit the power button, and a dialog box will come up asking you what you wish to do. You wish to shut down. Shutdown and configuration is already checked, so you go yes, and the computer will shut down a la a normal computer would. Just keeping an eye on the taskbar and also the light system up here. Once the lights have changed, the screen has gone blank, you can then remove the panel from the cradle. We'll just wait while the light does and it goes through its procedure. This is the light here, and now the panel is completely properly shut down, and you have the potential now to remove it from the cradle and complete your day. And that's how we do proper shutdown and startup of Icon 3D software.